yesterday we pulled the engine out of this guy. Today, I got a list for us of things I need to get done on this car. Probably not all today, but got to fix some exhaust manifold bolts. You know how they are with these LS engines, they break off, you know, inside there. Gonna have to weld some nuts on there and try to get them out and do my best. Need to install the steering link. I'm gonna clean and paint the engine bay, paint the valve covers. I need to correct this mess of engine mounts I have going on in here. It is kind of a disaster. I wasn't really my first time welding, so I was learning, but I know a little bit more now. Need to install and mount the engine and trans at any cost. I don't care. I'm getting this done. I have to. I need to plumb the power steering, plumb the coolant, plumb the brakes. Need to put carpet, seats, and a nice new radio in here, a touchscreen of some sort. That's the plan for this weekend. Follow along and see how this goes. First things first, I got one exhaust bolt on both sides that I'm gonna weld a nut on and try to scoot it on out of there. If that doesn't work, I've got some extractors. I'm gonna drill a hole and try to extract. But yeah, I wonder what Derek from Vice Grip Garage is doing today. Alright, she's cooled down a little bit. Gonna soak her down with some WD-40 and see if it comes out. And it came out. Alright, we scooted over here to the other side. We got one more bolt over here that's been broken off inside the flange, or inside the mating surface. And I'll do the same thing with a little bit of a bigger nut this time. Get it out of there. Got that done. Now I'm gonna take the top of the engine mounts off and try to shove her in there and see, kind of get an idea of where I need to remount the engine mount. So we got a total mess again, you know, tools everywhere, and I'm going out of order on the list, but I got it mounted. I've got the transmission almost in the right place where it's going to go. The transmission's gonna come up just a little bit more, and this will level out. So it'll be more level within the three degree range that it's supposed to. It's gonna have some cleaning up to do down here, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start mounting everything up to the engine for now. today I taped up the top of the intake manifold. I've been scratching it up pretty bad, like a dodo head. Now I'm fixing the vacuum lines on the bottom. I only need 2 really. I don't need all 4 right now. Later I'll use the other ones, you know, for like the climate control and stuff like that. But for now I'm gonna plug up 2 of the vacuum ports I don't need. So now I've got the intake manifold bolted down, torqued up. I've got the vacuum lines. Instead of plugging them, I just attached some rubber hose to them and plugged them up for now. That way I can use them later. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to pull out all the wiring harness, stretch it back out, and because I'm going to go ahead and put it through the firewall at some point, somewhere over here, so the ECU, diagnostic port, and all that can be right inside the passenger side. And I think I'm going to go ahead and paint these valve covers real quick too. Take those off and paint those. So I'm going to get this off. So, I took the valve covers off. I got my oil pressure gauge set up. I'll eventually routed it through the firewall, but I got wiring harness pulled out. Got to figure out a way to get through that hole. I don't know what I'm going to do there, but I got the valve covers painted. I don't know, I thought it was pretty close to that color.